versus area Freedom Run. That's it again. Siargao Island is already outside. Lavish Love in third. Then comes Getting Better, Fantastic G. And our left is the early trailer. We have Siargao Island early by about 2 lengths. Freedom Run in second, 3 lengths away in third. Getting Better. Lavish Love in fourth. And a long way back to Fantastic G and our left inside a half mile. And it's still Siargao Island by about 2 lengths. Freedom Run. Lavish Love now moving up on the outside. Getting Better in between horses. But it's still Siargao Island by about 2 lengths. Lavish Love now in second. Getting Better in third. Racing in fourth comes Freedom Run. Siargao Island still in front by Aralenga. Then here comes Lavish Love now on the outside. Siargao Island, Lavish Love now moving up on the outside as they come to the last 150. Siargao Island, Lavish Love fighting right for the leader, but it's still Siargao Island, Lavish Love on the outside. Lavish Love, Siargao Island is running by the leader. Siargao Island, Lavish Love moves up, and finally Lavish Love, Siargao Island, Getting Better, Fantastic G, Freedom Run, and the left comes last.
And it's a top choice, Lavish Love. Just got there. Maraming pinatakam nitong si Lavish Love kung lalampas ba o hindi. At sa last 50 meters, ayun, lumampas na nga. Pamboy Ponce. At maganda yung ginawa ni Pamboy Ponce.